The Jutech tree trimmer is a specialized machine designed for pruning industrial orchards, from apple and orange groves to pine plantations. Its long hydraulic arm, fitted with high-speed rotating saws, can extend over 6 meters to handle even thick branches with ease. As it moves along the rows, the machine neatly trims excess branches, ensuring canopies remain open and uniform. The hydraulic system allows flexible angle adjustments, making it adaptable to different tree types. Instead of dozens of workers climbing ladders with shears and handsaws, a single tree trimmer can prune hectares of orchards in just one day. In Oregon, pine trees are pruned just as efficiently, only with a twist. Instead of cutting individual branches by hand, a circular trimming head moves along the row, enclosing the canopy and shading it evenly like a mold. This way, every tree takes on the perfect conical shape, ready for the Christmas season.